The Clarke CBB200 8-inch bench polisher is ideal for buffing and polishing metal and composite surfaces to a bright, lustered finish. This unit features a robust cast iron base with rubber feet, which reduces vibration, and it can also be bolted to a workbench to make it even easier to use. It is supplied with a 13 amp 230 volt plug. The very smooth-running built-in motor delivers 370 watts of power and spins the 8-inch polishing mops at 2,850 RPM. The bearing-balanced precision machine shafts ensure excellent performance and minimize operator fatigue. For added safety, a front-mounted on-off switch makes the CBB200 easy to switch off. And the polishing mobs are simple to fit and remove, making for efficient working. This reliably built machine is also supplied with 2 polishing mobs to help get you started, one stitched and one open. A range of polishing compounds and mobs are available from your local Clarke stockist. Smooth and reliable, the CBB200 should handle all of your polishing needs for many years to come.